In this tutorial I'd like to show you how to do a cross stitch using a treble, and we're gonna start off a row around and you're just only gonna chain 3. Normally with trebles you would chain 4 to begin, but there's a method to my madness, so watch what we do. In the next one you're going to do a treble. So wrap the hook twice and treble into the next stitch. Now the chaining of 3 here doesn't count as anything. So what I want you to do is wrap the hook twice and just bend it forward and get the stitch where that chain 3 comes out of, and then finish it off. So that chain 3 doesn't count as any stitch at all. It's just a builder. So it keeps everything consistent, and now the stitches are crossed. So now to continue your rounds or your rows, all you're just going to do is that you'll skip the next one, go to the second one over, and I want you to treble and then wrap twice, and now go to back to the one that you want to get. So I always kind of bend it forward. You can bend it backward if you wish. It's up to you. Just make sure that you're consistent when you go to do this. So let's just do it again. So I'm gonna just do something different just to show you. So you can go and skip the next one and treble into the one after that. Now if you wanted to, and this is kind of a neat thing too, you could always just, instead of the next one bending it back like this, you could go from the forward, okay, and just grab it from the forward and then just finish it like that. Completely changes the look of your project. So instead of it being consistent like this, it looks like it's kind of V-ing out. So it's kind of a neat way to be able to determine what you would like to do with your stitch work, what's easiest, and sometimes it's just about a bit of creativity too on the way that you change things, and therefore it can be kind of really cool. So that would be how you would do this kind of stitch. So you see these two are kind of originating for the back and these are in the front. So it's kind of neat, and again it's your call. So this is how you do the cross stitch.